26, we were hit by Typhoon Opong. Expectedly, we were expecting that should have hit three islands, but in actuality, it hit and badly hit and devastated Sibuyan and the northern part of Tablas and the island of Rondon. So affected areas, their population is, we have about 219 barangays affected. All of the barangays made reports. We have a total of 85,375 individuals who were affected by the typhoon. Displaced families numbered 29,000. And I'm very happy to inform that immediately after the typhoon, our DSWD here, anticipating the expectation of a typhoon, based on their preposition, were able to effect 14 million worth of food packs. So I'm very happy that during that time, wala akong nagutuman sa amin dito. I'm very happy po that when I texted you in the afternoon of the typhoon, your response was very immediate, in 1 minute. And thank you for that. And your RD Leo, immediately called me. So immediately I requested our mayors for an emergency meeting the next day for them to establish the basis of how we will vet those affected families. For that, we're able to submit to you our report. We had a total of almost 2,000 totally affected. This is 1993, and 15,000 partially affected or damaged houses for a total of 17,000. And all of this, I understand. Thank you for my mayors and kay Governor. We are able to already identify this and vet them, and we are ready for the distribution. No? It is my understanding, based on Leo's information to me last night, and I'm sure that is upon your order po, Tito Sec, that the initial amount, you said half muna, kasi malaki, is already ready for disbursement.
Yes.
And I will give it to you. It's my understanding that we have already targeted some towns, but I think I have to leave that to my good secretary to announce. or I just say, okay. So, we have 53 million. Unahin natin ang tatlong bayan ng Sibuyan. Then, Romblon, Santa Fe, Bantoon, and Alcantara. The remaining towns will be covered in the next tranche. So, you have more time to vet and comply with the requirements. And thank you also too for our beloved Mayor of Bahidjogan for arranging this visit. Thank you very much, Mayor Greggy. And again, maraming salamat sa presensya ng ating minamahal na Governor, ang ating mga sangguniang panglalawigan members, Irene, Nene, Ding, Jojo Beltran, Abner Perez, Rekmel, and Kerry, Goods. And of course, my mayors are all here. If I may just introduce them, no?
Yes.
Our mayor.